In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Zalando promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go over to your web browser and search up Zalando promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna head over to the first website, Daily Mail. So I'm gonna click on it. So once I'm on this website, I'm gonna see many codes, and as you can see, that's the logo right there. And these are for September 2023, so for this month. So they're gonna work. So the first one is take an extra 15% off orders over £30 by using this code. So all you have to do is click on it, and as you guys can see that it's verified, so it's gonna work. You can click on that, and this is the code gift15 to get a 15% off whenever you purchase something which is over £30. So all you have to do is click copy the code and then click go to the store. So once you click that, it's going to redirect you to their website, and there you can choose your products and put this code at checkout. But as you guys can see, the expiration date is on 19th September and it's 12th September today, so you can go and use it before that day. Well, there are many other codes here. For example, 10% off with this code, so you can click on that. And this is the code save10 to get a 10% off. You have to follow the same steps and use this at checkout. But as you can see, the expiration date is 23, so you have more time here. You can explore many other codes as well, and whatever's good for you, you can go ahead and give that a try. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to vthrift.com. It's a very good website as well. So once you're here, you're gonna see many codes, but these ones not always work, because as you can see by the success rate, it's not that high. So they sometimes work, sometimes not. So the first one is 50% off, and this coupon was used 4,000 times, but the success rate is not that high, but you can still give it a try. Stay active is the code. So yeah, you can see many other codes here as well. For example, this one has a high success rate, 82%, so you can copy this and paste it to checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.